Get him. Set your hook in your butt. Dang stripe. I bet that's why I wouldn't catch them while ago. See you, bud. So you never set the hook?
Never pulled. That fish had a hold of it pulling 3 different times before I ever felt him actually lock down on it, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But he was coming toward the boat the whole time.
I probably should throw Rocco. I think I'd have a better hookup, especially with that rod.
Like that. They'll never jerk. Never jerk.
What's up? Old rattler. He didn't get off. Look at her. That's what we like. That's what we like. Where's them pliers at? You ain't sticking me today. What do you think? 220? Where you at, bud? Keep going.
Another smallmouth. Imagine that. I thought I caught smallmouth.
They feel good?
No.
No? Or do they just swim with the boat?
Yeah.
Told you. What is that? That's his gill. Easy, bud. What do you think? 260?
232.
254. You got wind blowing right in here. God, buddy, did you see that fish? Dude, he hit me out here at the boat, but I couldn't even turn him. Ain't no way that fish got off that. Yeah, he hit me a little farther out than I thought he was. Damn, bro, he was.
That little turd bit it 3 times.
Did he?
Before he ever got it.
There you go, bro. He's in my line. That fish is acting weird.
Yeah, he is. It's dry. That's what I thought it was.
I hate a stripe. Hate him. He wasn't going nowhere. Look at him.
That's what them little fish are breaking in here.
Mm-hmm. Sun's still shining on the mountain over there. I bet we could go inside right there at the ramp. That little pocket, these crankbaits and jack them. Man, there's a ton of bait here. Ain't there a pile of rock right there somewhere? Off this end? Oh, son. Yeah, this thing ain't got no backbone to it. This rod don't have no backbone. That felt like a... Oh, thank you. You hadn't done yourself. Lay down there. Oh, don't go that point, bud. Oh yeah, he's going on. That's one. That's it right there. That's the point, right?
Oh, woohoo!
He's out here a little deeper, wasn't he? There's a smallmouth, ain't it? It's he about got rid of that rod, didn't he? Feel they still. I'll get that out of you.
They like Roberto.
This one you said they don't make no more? That was all slate right here, ain't it? There he is. That's a pretty good fish. Or it's just this flimsy old rod. Largemouth. Not a bad fish. Watch him throw a thing before I get a hold of him. What are you guessing on this one? What are you guessing on this one? The rain's gonna go round by, don't you?
Go somewhere.
Oh, you piece of junk. Got him? I bet it's a smallmouth one, I bet.
Walleye.
Huh? Catfish dinner, baby. You reckon that's what that was hitting us? That white tip like a shark. Girl, you done went and got yourself hung, didn't you, bud? He said, wow, that might have been what's hitting us. We're getting out here in 19 foot of water now. Probably need to move on in. We didn't fish that point over there, did we?
Roberto catches all.
Oh, I just lost one. Look out yonder, that point. Got one? Biggin?
That's a stripe.
No, it ain't so largemouth. He sucked it down to the bottom. I'm gonna have to net that fish. You can't double them, can you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he swallowed it. Choked. Mm-hmm. 269. Here she comes to you, buddy. We in 3 foot.
Woohoo!
All right.
Yep, that's good.
They was feeding right there a few minutes ago. That little plug there can catch them.
You know what I've learned the last little bit?
What?
Slow it down.
You're slowing it down?
I'll slow it way down.
I would think it would need to be moving fast, but of course that one being so small, I don't think they're getting a good look at it anyway, do you? Like I noticed you've been catching yours out here next to the boat too, haven't you? There'll be one right here.
Woohoo!
That fish, like he's already dead. Gum.
I told you, Roberto catches all.
Dude, I don't know what I got. Or if it's in, oh, it just got off.
Roberto catches all. Tell you what that plug will catch.
What's that?
Carp.
It'll catch carp.
It will. I seen 3 carp get caught on it one day on us needing a kicker fish.
It's just 6 o'clock. It's just 6 o'clock.
Woohoo! It's a striper.
Blow it up. There you go. Those small jaws. There's a bunch of them fish just sitting out there, just in little swags, just sitting there. Like right there, man. Them fish are just hovering in that swag. Look at that pile right there. There we go. I don't know what that is, but it's mad. It's a largemouth. Mm-hmm. You tried to get me, didn't you, bud? Oh, God. Lost that one. We got a crappie.
Strapper.
I wish I'd catch Peppo's 5-pounder over here. There he is. That's a pretty good one, bud. Oh.